Understanding Welding Rod, a guide for English language learners. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the term welding rod. This might be a new phrase for many of you, and it's definitely a practical one, especially if you're interested in technical fields or engineering. So, let's dive in and understand what a welding rod is, its uses, and where you might come across this term in English. A welding rod is a piece of metal used in the welding process. Welding is a method of joining two pieces of metal together by melting them with intense heat. The welding rod acts as a filler material that helps to bind the metals once they cool down. It's a fundamental tool in metalworking and is widely used in construction, manufacturing, and even in art. There are several types of welding rods, each designed for different materials and welding techniques. Some common types include mild steel rods, used for general welding purposes; stainless steel rods, used for welding stainless steel materials; aluminum rods, specifically for welding aluminum pieces; cast iron rods, used for welding cast iron materials. Each type of rod has specific properties that make it suitable for welding certain metals. Welding rods play a crucial role in many aspects of modern life. They are used in building infrastructure, such as bridges, buildings, and highways; automotive industry, for assembling vehicles; manufacturing, in the production of various goods and machinery; art and sculpture, for creating metal artworks. Understanding the term welding rod gives you insight into a process that shapes the world around us. I hope this video has helped you understand what a welding rod is and why it's important. Remember, learning English isn't just about words. It's about understanding the concepts and contexts behind them. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.